Working with Alkota is like working with family. Known them just about my whole life.
They seemed genuine. They were somebody that you could relate to when you talk to them. And the more I've gotten involved with a company, and the longer you're with Alkota, you find out they're a family.
The company, they're very good to do business with. They're very reliable. I have less service work or problems with Alkota than I have any other machine I've sold in the past.
We feel they're the best out of all the stuff that we work on and that we see out there in the field. And the people that work at Alkota are always easy to get along with.
It's the fact that I can get to somebody that can answer me a question. Even as large as they are, I can still talk to somebody.
When someone considers to buy an Alkota, we'll tell them right out the gate, you are going to buy an American-built machine.
They make a good quality product. It works in the field. Could we change some things? There's always something that you could change. But when you talk to them, they're willing to listen. And that's why I stay with Alkota versus any other products.
How they listen to their dealers, and they make pieces of equipment that fit molds in where we have to be.
The equipment itself is very heavy duty and meets the needs to what our customers are requiring of us.
Alkota is important to me for my customers because I can get them the products they need, the service they need at a quick time.
Alkota is very flexible. They will build just about anything that we need that my customers want. The turnaround times are typically very quick, and when the machines come in, they work.
Why do our customers count on Alkota equipment? Because they've tried other brands, they've tried other makes and models, and they have tried an Alkota and they've loved them.
Alkota, to put out a superior product, a product that's going to work out of the box. It shouldn't be you have to mess with it, there's something wrong with it.
Considering buying an Alkota, if they're a new customer, they get a good piece of equipment at a great price and good service.